Hello, welcome to Punky Flute. Today I'm going to share with you how I teach my students how to play swing. Every time you see this rhythm and it says swing, you could be wondering, how am I supposed to play or how am I supposed to teach this rhythm? So I wanted to share with you how I teach my students how to swing using panda. Two quavers together on a swing rhythm. I say, let's call it panda. Because nobody's going to say panda, right? So everyone says panda. So if you could think of this rhythm as panda, one, panda, one, panda, one, panda, one, panda. Nobody's ever going to do it other way around. Nobody's going to go one, panda, right? So it works every time. So I would love for you to try this rhythm. Today we have this short melody, just 4 bars, going. And then every time you have these 2 quavers together, I want you to keep going. One panda, one panda, one panda, one panda. Every time. Let's have a go. Something like that. Now it's your turn. Let's have a go. Panda, 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 panda. Keep going with the pandas. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you have enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. I hope to see you next time. Bye!